have the farmer's market inside. It's pretty cool. Here is our haul from the farmer's market. We've got a melon from Spain. Tastes like what did it taste like? Kind of like a honeydew and a watermelon. These are sea beans, and they're little sour, salty, bitter. Carrots, beets, and we have this is a ground beef with liver, and chicken livers. I make a good pate. It doesn't taste like chicken liver. Fresh basil and some beans. Anyway, they have a matching program there for people with food stamps or people that are disabled. So if you buy $10 worth of coins, you get $10 matched. So it's awesome. No excuse not to eat good foods. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment.